So I hope you enjoy the book.
I hope so too.
And
Yeah.
find a good story in it, celebrating his centenary.
Wonderful.
And I'm just very touched that the book has won 2 awards already.
Oh my God!
It's won
Congratulations.
it's won the biography of the year, and it's won the
Oh.
Popular Choice Award by the Times of India Author Awards. It has kick-started music shows, dance shows already, and adapted into a theatre
People
play.
are listening to this
Yes.
slowly.
So by
you've
the
done
end
it.
of the year, my target is to find a director producer for a Bollywood
To
biopic.
Bollywood.
Exactly, that's what it should be. It was so lovely when you wrote that tiny blurb for the book. It's here.
Oh.
His vibratory expression through melody is a rare occurrence in Indian music world. Seher weaves for us a wholesome tapestry about this tremendously gifted artistic phenomena. A read that you must. So
Yes.
beautiful. These are your words.
I know, but it is. I mean, he's grew up listening to him. So,
How lovely.
Yeah. It sort of brings a what do you call that? हम असम में कहते हैं असमीज में कंपन.
Yes. The
Yes,
yeah.
there's this.
The
I don't know the
vibration.
English word, the vibration, but better. I think kampan is much better word. It has vibration
explains
doesn't have a
more.
gentleness in it.
Yeah.
Kampan has a gentleness in the
Okay.
word itself. You know, his
So
voice
you
has
think
this.
Kampan describes it better.
Yes.
English translation through a diluted.
Yeah,
word there.
bilkul. Yeah.
So it has his entire, there's something called the Calcutta chapters of his early years. You know, when the showbiz industry was in Calcutta and you had Pankaj Malik Saab with
Of
New
course.
Theatres, the New Theatres production. So it has a bit of that history. Then it moves to independence and partition and, you know, what our family went through during partition and independence. And then his decision again to, as it is, he left home from Lucknow to go to Calcutta, which was a bit of a stormy
Quite
affair.
something. Yeah, it's a huge distance.
And distance and decision at home, you know. You were
Yes,
like
yes.
a conservative family in that sense. And then from Calcutta, how he shifted again to Bombay, and then is be part of the pillar of establishing the golden era. So it's very interesting because it moves. It moves along the history of the country, the foundations of the country, the foundations of the. I'll show you some. So this is of course the 80s, which he had a comeback album of ghazals, since he was also the Badshah of ghazals. It was a focus genre, so this was with Dilip Kumar. So what I've done with the book is intersperse it with images, you know. Unlike, you know, where mostly in books you have images just in the center.
Right.
In this book, it just moves along
Actually,
the narration.
along with the
They're
narration
all
and the
throughout,
chapter
yeah.
wise.
So this is one chapter in Telugu.
Oh wow.
I'm sorry, I'm just quickly trying
I
to
know,
find
of course,
the
of
chapter
course.
with Bhupen Hazarika Saab. Yeah.
I'll read the whole book.
Oh wow.
I will not only read that bit.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you so
wonderful.
much.
It's so lovely to see
No,
you.
thank you for your time.
मेरा करार ले जा मुझे बेकरार कर जा दम भर तो प्यार कर जा मेरा करार ले जा मुझे